Get a large mixing bowl, a microwave safe one, and put in 550 grams of white chocolate. Now pop this in the microwave for 30 seconds on high, give it a stir, and repeat that and keep doing that until it's nice and creamily melted. Now squeeze the juice from 2 oranges. Then add 2 tablespoons of orange zest. Now this next part is optional, but if you want, you can add some orange food coloring or food gel. Then add 1 can or 395 grams of sweetened condensed milk. I get a tray, baking tray, tin, whatever. Give it a spray and pour this in. Oh, look at that yumminess of goo. Now pop this in the fridge until it sets. Should only take 1 to 2 hours. Well, I hope you like this. I think I'll just slice a little corner off because I don't want to eat too much because I'm watching my weight.